Hi, my name is Carmen DiPasquale, and today I'd like to demonstrate our newest cake kit, the Tsunami. So you'll be getting a place setting, 3 spreaders, 3 frosting colors, an acetate sheet to wrap around the cake, some sprinkles, and of course the 4-inch baked cake. So let's get into the demonstration. So you put your little base color on. If you choose to, you can omit this step if you like, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it. And I am using the Confetti Cake today, so it's gonna be beautiful when you do cut into it, and I'll show you that as well. Once my base coat is on, I'm just gonna go ahead and put on the acetate sheet. Now, you will need a piece of tape that we don't supply, or you can hold it really taut, which I think that'll work too if you frost a cake. If you don't frost a cake, you may need a piece of tape. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fasten it with a piece of tape. And the whole idea is to put on your colors, and I'm gonna just dump the colors in. So you wanna give your colors a good mix and make sure they're liquidy enough. If they're too cold, like if your room is a little too cold, you can microwave this for like 5 to 7 seconds, really no more than that. You want it liquidy, but you don't want it like, totally watery. So we're gonna start by just putting it in the yellow. I'm just gonna, I don't know, maybe I'll do half and half. What do you think? See what happens. There. And then I'll put the purple, just like that. I also want to throw in some sprinkles, just like that. Okay, and the whole point, and then all you do is lift up, just like this. You ready? And it should go right into place, just like that. And there's your tsunami. There you go. How's that look? Then I'm gonna go ahead and slice right into it so you guys can see what the beautiful confetti looks like. Thank you for watching, and don't forget we do have a new location at Emporium Square in Middletown, New York. Come see us at 128 Dulcin Avenue every Saturday and Sunday. We really can't wait to see you guys.